Hello everyone, welcome to Disruption Learning, and this is the fifth episode on understanding profit and loss by disruption learning. In this video too, we are going to solve 3 more questions which are going to be slightly tougher than the ones we solved in the last video. So let's go. A shopkeeper outside his shop wrote buy anything and get 20% free. Okay. What percentage of discount is he offering? Now this is slightly technical question. Let us understand it by a bit, by step by step. So let's say, this is something that is sold in grams and the price for 1 gram is 1 rupees. Okay. So I go on to buy 100 grams of something. Since 20% is free, I would get 20 grams more, which means I get 120 grams. This is what I get. Okay. What I'm going to pay is going to be based on this thing because 20 grams is free. So I would pay 100 rupees, right? This is what I pay, right? However, for 120 grams, I should have been paying 120 rupees, which means that I should have been paying 120, but I paid 100 rupees. Okay. So the discount that I get is 120 minus 100, which is 20 rupees, right? This is 20 rupees. Now, the formula for discount percentage is D by MP into 100. Now, the marked price for this 120 gram should have been 120. Because 1 rupees is for 1 gram, okay, but instead it is being given for 100. So this is the SP and this is the MP. So the discount percent should be 20 by 120 into 100, and this turns out to be 16.67%. Seems like a tough question in the beginning, but as you solve it step by step, it gets easier. So let's move to next question now. The weighing machine of a shopkeeper shows 800 grams as 1000 grams. Okay. The shopkeeper claims that he sells on no profit, no loss basis. So how much profit or loss does he actually make? Okay. Let us again assume that 1 rupee is for 1 gram. Okay. So now for something that the customer buys 100 grams, right? Sorry, 1000 grams. The customer is going to pay 1000 rupees, right? However, if you see that when the machine shows 1000 grams, it is actually giving 800 grams. Okay. So the customer is paying 1000 rupees for 800 grams, right? We know that, CP and SP are equal because there is no profit, no loss. So for 1 gram, the cost and the selling price both is 1 rupees. So for 800 grams, the SP and the CP both should be 800 rupees, but the customer is ended up paying 1000 rupees for something that costs 800 rupees, right? Due to the fault in the machine. So the profit that the seller is making is 1000 minus 800, so is rupees 200, right? So his profit percentage is 200 divided by his cost, which is 800 rupees into 100, that is 25%. I hope that is understandable. Let's see, customer wants to buy 1000 grams. Okay, he pays 1000 for it. Instead, he is getting 800 grams, for which the cost of the seller is only 800 rupees. So something that costs 800 rupees is being sold for 1000 rupees. So that's why there is a 200 rupee profit, and therefore we have the profit percentage. Now, let's go to the next question. Now, a milkman mixes 1 liter of water in every 5 liter of milk and sells it on the cost price of milk. Assuming that the water is completely free, what is his profit percentage? Now, let us assume that the cost price of milk is 10 rupees per liter. Okay. So is going to be the selling price because he sells it on the cost price of milk. So selling price is also 10 rupees per liter. Now, let's say you go and buy 6 liters of milk from this guy, right? Now, in this 6 liter, there's going to be 5 liters of milk, okay? And 1 liter of water, right? For 6 liter, you will pay 60 rupees. However, the cost to the milkman is only 50 rupees because the milk is 5 liters and it costs 50 rupees. The water is free, so it is 0. So cost price of 6 liters is 50. Selling price is 60. So profit is going to be 10 and profit percentage is going to be 10 by 15 to 100, which is 20%. A very simple question, just stated a little bit of perspective. So with this, our playlist or let's say our first playlist on profit and loss is over. This was more about the very basics. We'll try to have more videos on it in the future in which we'll practice very tough questions, probably the questions which are actually asked in aptitude exams. So I hope you like this video series, and we'll stay there for some more topics. Goodbye.